Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how to add tenants inside Rentilium ERP. So let's dive right in. From your Rentilium ERP dashboard, head over to the left side menu, click on People, then Tenants. Here, you'll see the Tenant dashboard, a list of all your tenants displayed in one place. To add a new tenant, just click on the Add New Tenant button at the top right corner. Once you click that, the Add Tenant page will open up. Now, the first step here is ADAR verification, but don't worry, it's completely optional. If you want to verify your tenant's identity using ADAR, just enter the ADAR number, click Send OTP, and verify it. However, if you prefer to skip this step, that's totally fine too. Next, you'll need to fill out the tenant's personal details, such as prefix, Mr. or Ms., first and last name, gender, email and phone number, marital status, date of birth, nationality, father's and mother's name, profession, spouse's name, if applicable, blood group, health or disease information, if any. Pretty straightforward, right? As you scroll down, you'll reach the Tenant Type section. Here, you can choose from 4 options depending on your case: individual, corporate sponsor, other. Just select the one that fits your situation. Next, let's add the address details, like the current address and the permanent address. Scroll a bit further to find the Emergency Contact section. Here, enter full name, relationship with tenant, email, mobile number, address. You can even add multiple contacts by clicking plus Add Emergency Contact. Once done, hit Submit. You'll then see a confirmation message. Success! New tenant added successfully. To view tenant details, go back to the tenant list and click on any tenant's name. This will open the Tenant Details page. And that's it! You've successfully added and managed a tenant inside Rentilium ERP. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy ERP guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.